Tango. Something right here. That's right here for the guys. Hold it right there, go very awesome. So watch the place down, get that electric fence up and running. Very good, very well. Nice and easy. Okay. Do something right here. Bring it back for me, girl. Bring it back. Take a step back for me. Good. Hold it right there, Tango. I'm gonna take this chain back. All right, guys. This little girl right here goes by the name of Tango. Focus. This is Tango right here, guys. Tango's had a great day today so far. We haven't had any incidents yet. Got a clean bill of health, so I think I want to try something out here. What do you folks think about us taking this chain off and Tango let her totally loose? Should we do it? What do you think? No? Maybe should we take this chain off? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? I'm looking for a yes. What do you? Yes? It's my man. All right, he says yes. We're doing it, guys. All right, on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good, Tango. Hey, bring it back for me. Very good. Good. All right, hold it right there for me. All right, folks, everyone give a warm round of applause. Say hello to Tango. Very good, Tango. You guys want to get your picture taken with Tango, all you got to do is head to the queue line right over there on the other side of the filming station. We'll get you on through, get your picture taken with me. Come on up here, buddy. Right here, pal. Perfect, right there. You're not scared, right? You got this.